and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to make Microsoft Word read to you. So first, open your Word document. This feature is perfect for proofreading, multitasking, or simply giving your eyes a break. So let's get started. First, open your Word document, then go to the Review tab and select the paragraph or the text you want on Microsoft Word to read to you. Let's select this paragraph, for example, then click on the read aloud in the speech group, or you can click on Alt plus Control plus space. Now here you can make it read the previous paragraph. Play the read aloud. Go to the next paragraph, and you can click on settings to change the reading speed. You can make it faster or slower, and you can also change the voice. You have three options: Microsoft David, Microsoft Zera, and Microsoft Mark. Let's select Mark, and let's change the reading speed. And after finishing, just click on X to stop the read aloud. And there you have it. You've now learned how to make Microsoft Word read to you. This feature is a great way to enhance your productivity and make working with text more accessible. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.